Hey, where's FM junk removal going today?
Watertown, Massachusetts.
Today's job? Couch removal. Easy in and out, or so we thought. We're about halfway through, and the client goes, "Can you guys take this table too in my dining room?" And a mini fridge pops out of nowhere. But you already know, FM junk removal just never says no. We get it done. Couch, mini fridge, and dining room table all done in one truck. Fast, affordable, and always easy. FM junk removal. Call now. We're actually on our way. 508-962-4391. And don't forget, we also have dumpster rentals available too.